Sponsored by RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. RxCardClub.com. How and where is the Bydureon injection given? The Bydureon pen was discontinued in March 2021 and has been replaced by Bydureon BCise Autoinjector. The Bydureon BCise Autoinjector is easy to use and can be self-injected at home once a week. If you have trouble injecting it yourself, you could ask a family member, friend, caregiver, or your health provider to do it for you. Where do you inject Bydureon BCise? Bydureon BCise is injected subcutaneously. This means just under the skin, and there are three main areas where it can be injected. The stomach area, your belly, except for a 2-inch circle around your navel, belly button, the top and outer part of your thighs, but not your inner thighs or anywhere close to your knee. The outer back of your upper arm where there is a pocket of fatty tissue. This is usually easier if somebody else is injecting the auto-injector for you. To keep your skin from thickening or getting lumpy, try not to inject in the same spot. Instead, rotate injection sites. Do not share your Bydureon BCise autoinjector with anyone. Each auto-injector is for single use only. How do you inject Bydureon BCise? Firstly, take one Bydureon BCise autoinjector out of the refrigerator and rest it flat on a bench for 15 minutes. Do not try to speed up this process by warming it in any other way, like putting it in hot water or the microwave, as this may destroy the pen or the medicine. Check the expiration date, and if it has passed, do not use the auto-injector. Contact your pharmacist. Choose an injection site on your stomach, but not closer than 2 inches from your belly button, your upper, outer, thigh, or the back of your arm. This site is usually only used if somebody else is giving you the injection, otherwise it is hard to reach. To keep your skin from thickening or getting lumpy, try not to inject in the same spot. Instead, choose a slightly different injection site, although you can still use the same general area. If you want to, you can wipe the site with an alcohol swab and allow it to dry. Before unlocking the device, you need to shake it to mix it. With the orange cap pointing upwards, shake the device up and down hard for at least 15 seconds. Hold the auto-injector up to the light and look through the viewing window to check it is evenly mixed. If there is white medicine along the sides, shake it for longer until it is evenly mixed. Once it is mixed well, you need to inject it right away. Do not store for later use. Unlock the auto-injector. Hold the auto-injector up straight with the orange cap toward the ceiling and turn the knob from the lock to the unlock position. Once you have done that, unscrew the orang cap by turning it counterclockwise. You may need to turn the cap a few times before it loosens. If you hear clicking, you are turning in the wrong direction. Continue holding the auto-injector upright to prevent the medicine from leaking. You will notice a green shield has popped up after the cap was removed. This hides the needle. Turn the auto-injector so the needle is facing downwards and then push and hold it into your preferred injection site. You will hear a click when the injection begins. Continue holding it against the skin for 15 seconds. This is to make sure you get the full dose. Once the full dose has been given, an orange rod will appear in the window. Lift the auto-injector from your skin, and the green shield will move back up to lock over the needle. Throw the used auto-injector in an FDA-approved sharps container. Each auto-injector is for single use only. If you need any help, ring 1-800-236-9933 for help. Related questions: how long does it take for Bydureon BCise to take effect? How long can Bydureon be unrefrigerated? How does Bydureon work? What is the difference between Bydureon and Bydureon BCise? Bydureon BCise is now the only formulation of Bydureon available, and although it does not require two different ingredients to be mixed, it does require shaking for 15 seconds. Bydureon BCise is an auto-injector that has a pre-attached hidden needle but contains the same active ingredient as the Bydureon pen. Bydureon pen was discontinued in March 2021 and has been replaced by the Bydureon BCise Autoinjector pen. How long can a Bydureon auto-injector last out of the refrigerator? A Bydureon BCise auto-injector will last out of the refrigerator for 4 weeks, 28 days, at room temperature, rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.